Hello and welcome back on the next update on the renovation at Fowler Street. Here in our workplace we have a new door for access to get in and out and skylights for light. Here I am in the toilet and it is more accessible for wheelchairs to get in and it's more wider. We have some space for some stairwell and a space for a lift and a space for some storeroom. Here in the recording studio we have the walls plastered and ready for with the wet wicks. The rehearsal room has been plastered as well with electricity ready to be done as well.
How would you feel about the progress of the renovations?
Really good, and it's going really well and it's going really fast.